All right, guys, what I have right here is part two of my battery clamp-on testing, and so I've got the setup a little bit different right here. We've got a different output source just because of availability. We're still going to apply a little bit higher than battery nominal voltage of 48 volts right here. They're just four little fire alarm batteries in series. This is our battery voltage reading right now. There's the output of our simulated charger is not on, and we're going to read actual current. This is passed through the meter, actual current, and then this is a clamp-on current, 1000 to 1. So if you read the side of the clamp right here, it says that it's 1 milliamp is 1 amp, and it's a 200 amp rated clamp. And then our other one is this one that I found on Amazon. I don't represent them, but it's actually very accurate. And I just kind of want to show that you just have to make sure that you got a good range on this. And if you look right here, this is a 400 milliamp scale for the clamp on, which is very non-standard. Most of these clamps are 200s, 400, 600, 1200 amp clamps. So we're going to turn this power supply on. We're sitting a little bit higher voltage now. As you can see, that's going up. This is our ripple current of AC, and we're around 120 milliamps. And then this guy over here is scary accurate for the milliamps, even it being a clamp on. You can see it's not even going through anything or electrically connected. It's just a clamp on meter. And then this guy over here is reading 0.1, so it's saying 100 milliamps. I'm gonna change this just a little bit so you can see battery voltage go down, and you can see what happens with the milliamps. See I think I went down just a little too far. Let me go back up. There you go. You're around 70 milliamps. 50 milliamps, and these two are still very accurate with each other. This one's struggling to stay anywhere close to it, and every once in a while it gets a little close, but you can see this is because the range is so far off on this that it's not able to stay near it. But this one has its min and max scale ranges are much more in line with this one, so it stays very accurate. Now if we go up towards the high ranges, and this is plugged into the 400 milliamps, so I'm not going to try to go any higher than that. But if you go up towards the higher ranges, we'll try to get around 350 maybe. You can see that these two are still very close to each other, and this one's trying to catch up. I don't know if it's going to approach it, but if you had to take a measurement with it, would you rather use this one or would you rather use this one? I would always recommend that when you're metering something, don't just grab a clamp on or grab a meter. Make sure that the range of what you're measuring is in the range of what you're looking for. And if you have a very low value or you're not sure if you're going to get a low value, make sure that you bring a meter that is capable of measuring that range. Otherwise, there's almost no point in writing it down. As you can see, this one's starting to just catch up because the battery voltage is catching back up. It's charging up too fast. But thanks for the demonstration.